Right. So, good afternoon, all again, and welcome back to the another lecture of number system that we were studying. BSc first year electronics, and the syllabus is the RTM Nagpur University syllabus, and we are working on paper two, unit one, that is number system. We have almost completed all sorts of numbers which are required for, say, this academic purpose of BSc first year electronics, and we have also completed the interconversions between them. Now today, in the last class also, we have completed almost ones and twos complement method of addition of subtraction of binary numbers, and we have taken some of the examples also that I have already uploaded on the YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover one another topic that we call it as the different codes of binary system. So now we are working on the codes. Now how these codes, what actually a code is? Code is actually a, a specific format of a particular system, right? So that we can code and then we can decode it. So if I tell you that we have this number like 1011. So this is a number which I call it as a binary number. So if I say that this is a number which is in the binary form, that is with a radix or base of 2, so 1011. So the weightage on each bit of this particular binary number will be, this will have the weightage as 1, this will have 2, this will have 4, and this will have 8. If I take one more number over there, so the weightage will be again 16. So I take 1 over here. So the weightage over here is 16, right? So we have this sort of a binary number, right? And we go on putting the weightage of it, and then what we do, we add those numbers. Wherever there is one, we add all those weightages and we convert it into a decimal number. Now, what the problem is, being the students of electronics, we understand how to convert this binary number to decimal. But a layman which does not understand this will seek a problem of looking at this number. So he will look like, say, this number looks like 11,111. Sorry, 11,100, or yeah, 11,011. So a layman looks in that format because he understands only the decimal number system. So ultimately, whatever we are going to convert, we are going to do, we have to convert it in human usable format, right? So we need to display it. So for that, we have different types of output devices. Like we'll have say 7 segment displays. 7 segment आप लोगों को पता होगा, 7 segment जिसमें अपने numbers पूरे आते हैं like this. So we are having this 7 segment
Used in
LED display.
watch.
Yeah, used in watches where we have different sorts of numbers. So this is uh, one of the type of 7 segment display, and it gives you a particular number, right? It shows you. So a layman which is not from a background of electronics will understand what it really wants to convey. But a binary number is to be given to, if you are given, if this number is given to a layman, it is very impossible for him to conclude what is the value of that number. So what we do, we convert this number to a particular format, and then we put it on this 7 segment display so that it will give you a human readable, human understandable format of that particular binary number. So that particular code is called as 8421 code. Now what we will do, we will divide this these binary number into two portions of 4 bits. So we are going to have 4 bits. Now what I will do, we'll have this 1011, right? So if it is a number, then we will put 8, 4, to 1. And when you add this number, it comes out to be 8 plus 2, 10, and 1 is 11. So this is the decimal number, right? 11. 1011 is equivalent of 811 in decimal, right? But still it is greater than 10, it is greater than 9. So what we do is we convert this particular 4 bits up to decimal only, right? So we call it as bcd, bcd, binary coded up to decimal. So the binary coded up to decimal means the numbers which land between 0 up to 9, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. We go up to 9, 7, 8, and 9. We don't go beyond this. So these 10 symbols are being coded in this format of 4 bits. So we'll have those equivalent numbers and we will call it as a BCD code. So we will have a 4-bit format of binary 000 or for 0, and for 1 it will be 0001, for 2 it will be having 0010, for 3 it will be having 0011, 0100 for 4, and 0101 for 5. For 6 it is 0110, for 7 it is 0111, for 8 it is 1000, and for 9 it is 1001. So this type of a coding up to only decimal is called as the BCD code, right? And going beyond that, we call this as the weightage values of it, that is 8421. So we call this number as 8421 BCD codes, right? 8421 BCD codes. So we are calling this as 8421 BCD codes, right? Because of the weightage which are given to these 4 bits. And we have different sorts of coding also. We have 4421, we have some 5211, 2421, 4221, any sort of that you can develop, or you can generate your own codes, right? For human readable, human understandable format, we give it to a 4-bit. Now these 4 bits are given to a decoder circuit, right? We call it as a decoder IC. We have one IC, we are going to study this IC also. We call this as the BCD to 7-segment display. 7-segment display. So it is having 4 inputs over there, and it will have 7 outputs. 7 means 7 lines, 7 bars. According to these 7 lines, these 7-segment display is going to give you a particular number, right? So this IC is very important as far as say the conversion is concerned. So we are having this 8421 code, we are having this BCD to 7-segment decoder, and we are having this 7-segment. So ultimately, this 8421 code can be converted into human understandable format by using this 7-segment display and the whole circuitry. Therefore, these codes are very important for generating this. So binary number, simple binary number will not be of that importance, but 8421 code can be important in that sense, right? Similarly, we have some more codes. We call it as gray code. We call it as XS3 code. So we are going to study all those codes. So I guess you have understood this 8421 code. So for 1 bit of a decimal number, we'll use this 8421 code, and for other bit, we'll have another 4 bits. So if I have a number, a simple number I'm writing over here, like 674. This is a number of decimal. So what I will do, I will have a 4-bit binary equivalent of these 3 bits. So for 6, I can write 0110. So this This whole stands for only 6. For 7, I can write 0111, and for 4, I can write 0110. So these 4 bit will give you the equivalent of this 674. Now these are given to three BCD to 7 segment decoder IC, that is actually 7447 and 48, which convert this BCD equivalent to the 7 segment decoder 7 segment display, and it gives a particular output. The particular LEDs are being on. So we are going to study in depth over there. Just I need to tell you why 8421 code is very essential and why we are studying these number systems, right? So these number systems somehow, some way or the other, we are going to convert it in a human understandable format or a human readable format, right? For that, these are very important. Similarly, when I go for the next coming classes where we are going to study some logic gates and all. So in that, I am going to tell you what zero and what is one. So if in that case you can understand a zero in a binary can be taken as the ground or a zero voltage, right? Similarly, a 1 in that respect is taken as plus 5 volt or high. Plus 5 volt, we take it like that. So we are having these two stable states, 0 and 1, right? And all the digital electronics is confined, is using this 0 and 1 bit for the conversion or for the processing purposes. So simple, if I have a song and I need to make it digital, so what I will do, I will form a series of these types of codes, and then these codes can be stored at a very compact space, that is say the compact disk CDs जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, उसमें हम लोग स्टोर कर सकते हैं और उसको फिर बाद में फिर से कन्वर्ट करके एनालॉग फॉर्म में हम लोग उसको सुन सकते हैं. तो उसका साउंड जो होता है, साउंड क्वालिटी जो होती है बहुत अच्छी होती है, right? So what we are doing, we are digitizing a particular voltage or a particular analog signal, and those analog signals are in this fashion. So these are some series of codes, series of supply, series of power supply, series of some voltages which are being over there, and those are being stored. Those are being very easily stored in the semiconductor devices, or say in compact disk, or say in pen drive, or say in your mobiles. So all these works in this binary system only, and they are only 0 and 1. So 0 stands for ground, that is 0 volts, and 1 stands for say plus 5 volts. So when I write like this, it's actually, but we are using these numbers over there, and we are trying to understand the number system. So we are using those numbers, but actually or practically, these 0 stands for say ground, and 1 stands for plus 5 volt. This is what we are going to study in the coming classes, where when we are going to start with our second unit of paper 2, that is logic gates. So in that logic gates, we are going to use these numbers, and we are going to use the same pattern over there, 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. The maximum probability of input that is to be given to a logic gate, right? So this is all is in pipeline, that will come to you, but today we have just concerned with this 8421 BCD code. 8421 BCD code, I guess you have understood how and why we require this 8421 BCD code, right? Actually, this is the voltages, sorry, these are the weightages on a particular bit of a binary number, but it is coded up to decimal. So what that BCD stands for? Binary coded up to decimal. So we call it as the BCD. Yeah, 8421 BCD codes. 8421 BCD codes. 8421 BCD code means 8421 are the weightages on that particular 4 bits. BCD means a particular bit of a decimal is being converted in binary, or that binary is coded up to decimal. So decimal means only these 10 symbols, starting from 0 to 9. Because in one bit, there are no other numbers than these numbers. So as I've shown you, 674 is that particular number in which one bit is one bit of a decimal is converted into a 4 equivalent bit of binary, right? So we are using those, and these are called as the 8421 code, right? These are called as the 8421 BCD codes, binary coded up to decimal. So these are there, and we can have any of the numbers. So if I say you can also convert that number. So just to check whether you have understood or not, let me give you two examples and kindly tell me what would be the 8421 BCD code of that particular number. So I'm just putting it for example. Let us start with this. I guess we have already done this. So if I have a number, say 1 and 3, so what would be the 8421? This is in decimal. So this is in decimal. I will definitely specify it 10. I am writing with base 10, right? So it implies that it is a decimal number. So 13 in decimal. If I need to convert it into say the 8421 BCD code, what would be the value of it? Anybody can unmute themselves and please tell me so that I should say understand that you are getting things. 13, how 13 can be converted in 8421 BCD code? Hello? Anybody can unmute themselves and tell me 13, how to convert this 13?
1110.
Nobody? Okay. 1, किसका बता रहे हो 1 का? 1 1 1 0. ये किसका कोड हुआ? ये किसका कोड हुआ?
13.
नहीं बेटा, ये 13 का नहीं है. 8 plus 4
1101.
1101. ठीक है, चलो ये भी चलेगा, पर एक और बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. सो ये किसने कहा 1101? ये किसने कहा? कोमल ने?
सर नहीं, मैं स्नेहल.
स्नेहल. अच्छा, स्नेहल ने कहा. Yeah, beta. It is absolutely correct as far as it is converted into binary. ये 8 है, ये 4 है. 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. Absolutely correct. But we are not talking about binary conversion. We are talking about 8421 BCD code. So in that, what we need to do? We need to convert one bit of a decimal to a 4-bit equivalent of binary. That's all. So we are not going to convert the whole of the number. We are going to convert only one bit at a time. And we are trying to make a 4-bit equivalent of binary to that particular bit, right? So for 3, that is what I need to ask you. And I thought like you will not be getting this. So for 3, I will be putting a 4-bit binary equivalent, that is 0011. And for 1, I will be putting another 4-bit 0001. So I will be having two 4-bit numbers, which we are calling it as 8421 BCD code. BCD code means a bit which is being converted up to decimal only. So it is not going to convert it further, but we are going to convert between these 10 symbols only, right? So the equivalent of 138421 code is 001 for 1, and for 3 it is 0011. Am I right? Am I correct? Have you understood this? Hello? Have you understood this? What we have done? This is absolutely correct. But this is for, say, the binary. And this is for 8421 binary coded up to decimal. That is 8421 BCD code, we call this. So for a particular bit, we are converting each bit to a 4-bit equivalent of binary, right? And which is coded up to decimal only. We will not exceed more than 9. So between 9 only we are going to do that. Have you got this? Have you understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Or no? Good, great. So there is one simple numerical. I need to add, say this, 1 5 and 1 3. So we need to add this number by using this 8421 BCD code. So I have converted 1 3 over there. Just convert 1 5 and then we'll add. So the number will be 28. The output, the result will be, output will be 28. Let us see how it comes. So if I again want to convert this 15 into 8421 BCD code, the number will be 0001 and it will give you 0101. So this will be the simple BCD code, right, of 15, and I need to add it. What I'm doing, I am trying to add this both numbers. So if when I add, I will have 1 plus, simple. The addition, the basic rules of addition are same as we have done it in the binary addition, right? So we will be doing 4-bit first and the other 4-bit other. So we'll have this 1 plus 1 will have a 0 with a carry 1. 1 plus 1 with 0 with a carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0 with a carry 1. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So God's grace, there is no carry generated over there, right? And for the second 4-bit, 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. So we have this number as 20. This is 2. 0 0 1 0 is 2 and 1 0 0 is 8, right? So we are going to add like this. So 4-bit at a time we are going to add. Have you understood this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Have you got this? Great. So we'll try
Yes,
one
sir.
more in which actually there is a problem in one another numerical. What happens if there is a carry generated in the first 4-bit? Then what happens? Or else if it exceeds from 9, then what is to be done over there? Right? So take a number. Say we are taking this number as 25 and 58. So this is the decimal number that we are taking this, and we have to add this. So when we add this 58, that is 5 plus 8, you will get 13. That is 3 with a carry 1. 1 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 5, 8. So 83 is the answer. Is it okay? Have you understood this? This is a simple decimal addition. So we have adding 25. This is 25. I guess it is visible to you. This is 25. This is 58, and we are adding it. So we will be trying this, and the answer is 83. Now in this, what happens? We have just generated a carry from the first bit, and we have added in the MSB. MSB means most significant bit, and LSB means the least significant bit. Have you got this? Is there any problem over there?
No.
Have you understood? No, we have just taken the decimal addition. We have not done anything. 25 plus 58 हम लोगों ने ऐड किया है डेसिमल के हिसाब से, और आंसर है 83. सिर्फ इसमें हमने एक क्या काम किया है, इसमें हम लोगों ने ऐसे नंबर्स लिए हैं जिसमें कैरी जनरेट हो रहा है. So there is a carry generated at the first bit, which we call it as the LSB, and that carry is being added over here. But what happens in the binary or in the BCD code addition, that is what we need to see. समझा इतना? So just for that only we'll do that. Sorry, yeah. So करके देखते हैं क्या होगा या क्या करना चाहिए अगर ऐसी सिचुएशन आई तो. So let us try with that. So I will have these two numbers, and we'll add those numbers, and we'll see what are the say another arrangements that we have to do in that. So we'll convert this 25 in 8421 BCD code, right? So 8421 code for 2 is 0010. I guess it is visible. and for 5 it is 0101. Is it okay? Okay, so we have converted this to 5. 2 stand for 0010 and 5 stand for 0101. They are written over there. Huh? You can go through that. Similarly, 5, that is 0101, and 8, that is 1001. So in that we have taken decimal numbers only. We have not exceeded more than that. So we have taken 8. Sorry, this is 9. So this is 8. We'll add 10. Right. So this is 25 and this is 58. So these two numbers are to be added. Now add them and see what happens. So when we add them, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 0 plus 1 is 1. Right? So the number which comes out is 1101. Now go in the next bit. So when we go in that next bit, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, and 0 plus 0 is 0. Whenever this number, the number is exceeded from 9. So now this is, say, 8 plus 4 plus 1. This is a 13 number, right? So it is exceeding from 9. So whenever it happens, we need to add 6 in this bit. So हम लोग इसमें क्या करेंगे? इसमें 6 ऐड करेंगे. 6 ऐड करेंगे मतलब 0110 ये ऐड करेंगे. जब कभी भी ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है, याद रखो, इसीलिए ये नंबर लिया है पर्टिकुलरली आपको बताने के लिए कि जब कभी भी ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है कि ये इसमें 9 के ऊपर जाता है नंबर, तो हम लोग उसमें 6 ऐड करेंगे. सो वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड 6 इन दैट. फिर से बता रहा हूं, लिसन इट वेरी केयरफुली. व्हेनेवर इन द फर्स्ट 4 bit द नंबर एक्सीड्स मोर देन 9, then what we have to do is we have to add 0110 to that particular bit only. अगर यहाँ जनरेट हुआ है तो यहीं ऐड करना है, अगर यहाँ जनरेट होता तो हम यहाँ पे भी ऐड करते. So every time in every bit we have to add 4 bit. Every 4 bit we have to add that 0110. That is 6 in binary, right? So that is what is to be added. Now if you add this, what number it comes? So this is the addition over there. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1. So now there is a carry is generated which is being transferred to the first 4 bit, right? So the MSB 4 bit. So I'm adding that. So 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1, and 0 plus 1 is 1. So if I'm able to see, the output is this 4 bit stands for 8 and this 4 bit stands for 3. So the result is 8, 3. So this is 8, this is 3. 1, 0, 0, and this is 3. I guess you have understood what I have done. I'm just trying to tell you. So whenever the number which is obtained by this addition exceeds more than 9, because we are working on BCD. BCD means binary coded up to decimal only, not more than that. So whenever we exceed this binary coded decimal, means above 9, then what we have to do, that we have to add 0110, that is 6 in binary to that particular bit only. If else there is this number also exists, then we have to add 06 over here also, right? So we are going to add 06 in that particular bit. So we have added this and we have got the number. So unless and until you will add that, you will not be getting the exact results that we are expecting. So this is only for, say, the 8421 BCD code, right? I will be giving you one example of it. Just try it at your homes. That is supposed to be the homework. So add. So we might have some numbers like, yeah. So I will write here itself. So add 49 I guess it is visible to you. 49 of decimal. Add
Yes,
this to yes 37 of decimal. ये एडिशन करना है by using this 8421 BCD कोड. इसका आंसर आता है 9 plus 7 is 16, 6 1 carry, 1 plus 4 5 3 8. 86 is the answer of say डेसिमल. हम लोग ये डेसिमल में बात कर रहे हैं क्योंकि वही हमको समझता है. हम लोग बाइनरी में कर भी लेंगे, आंसर भी आ गया तो भी हमको उसको डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करके चेक करते आना चाहिए कि वेदर दैट आंसर इज करेक्ट और नॉट. Right? So go through this two numbers 49 and 37. Try using this 8421 code and try to solve it. Right? So this is, I guess this is enough for today. We'll continue in the next class. We'll try this example and we'll also try to solve this example in the next class. By that time, if you have any queries, just you can ask me on this chat box, or you can unmute yourself and please let me know if you have not understood anything. I'll be pleased to rectify or resolve your answers, questions. है किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम? हाँ, anybody?
No.
You can put it on chat. Yeah, thank you, Sanket. If Anushri, Komal, Sanket, Manish, yes.
सर
हाँ बेटा, मनीष.
हाँ, कैरी अगर दूसरे नंबर पे जनरेट हुआ तो
दूसरे
उसका
नंबर पे, ये वाले नंबर पे
हाँ,
जनरेट हुआ तो भी हम लोग यहाँ पे भी ऐड करेंगे.
वन ऐड करने के बाद उसमें वन
हाँ.
ऐड करने के बाद में उसमें और फ्रंट में कैरी जनरेट हुआ तो उसको क्या करना है?
हाँ, तो उसके बाद फिर नीचे ऐड करेंगे ना हम लोग 01106 0110. अगर यहाँ जनरेट होकर ये एक्सीड करता है 9 से ऊपर, है ना, तो हमको यहाँ पे 0110 फिर से ऐड करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि उसके बगैर हमारे को आंसर आने वाला नहीं है ना. बराबर है. एग्जैक्टली, बिल्कुल परफेक्ट क्वेश्चन था, सही क्वेश्चन था. इफ एल्स by after adding a carry generated from this bit to this 4 bit, if there is the number, that number also exceeds from 9, then again you have to add 0110 to this bit also, this 4 bit also. Right? This is absolutely perfect. Right? Yeah. So I guess the time is short. So we'll continue this in next class. If you have any queries, put it on your notebooks and say ask me in the next class. So by that time, thank you very much for attending the class and listening to this video also. Thank you, Snehal, thank you, Komal, Anushri, and please go through my YouTube channel. I have uploaded all the videos earlier, and if you have any queries, you can put it on the comment box of that YouTube channel also. Thank you very much. Take care. See you soon. Stay home, stay safe. Take care. Bye.